how to log in or sign in to ChatGPT account. So if you want to log in or sign into ChatGPT account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you're here on the browser, now you need to go with the search, and you need to search for ChatGPT and hit the enter. Now go with the introducing ChatGPT option and go with try ChatGPT, and here it will take you to the login or the create free account, right? So if you want to log in or sign in, then you just need to simply go with the login option. And if you don't have an account, then go with create free account. So once you're here, you need to enter the email address of your account. So I'll be just entering the email address, or you can also sign in with your Google or Microsoft account or Apple. So enter the email address, or you can also continue with your Google, which will be easy. So go with continue, and you need to enter your password. If you don't remember your password, then go with forgot password, and you will receive a code to the email address, and after entering that code, you'll be able to reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, simply enter the password and click on continue. And that's it. Once you click on continue, you will be able to log in or sign into your ChatGPT. It was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.